Introducing the PowerPlus Plunge saw, the ideal tool for quick and accurate longitudinal sawing, bevel and plunge cuts. Easy to set up, the guide rail segments are joined easily with the connection bars and the rail can be fixed to your working table with the provided clamps. The saw must be slotted into the guide rail for perfect clean sawing. With the anti-kickback knob and rail lock button, you'll ensure a solid grip and safe work. On the plunge saw, a mode selector knob allows different settings. A first setting for marked cuts, one for plunge cuts with a cutting depth up to 54 mm, and a third mode to select when you want to replace the saw blade. To start sawing, press and hold the lock button. Only then can the machine be safely turned on. Then you can run the saw smoothly down the track. By releasing the anti-kickback button, you can bring the saw back to its starting position. The cutting angle can be set between 0 and 48 degrees for bevel cuts. Whereas some workpieces are too big for a table saw or too wide for a miter saw, the plunge cutting saw is the ideal tool for cross-cutting material. With the guide rail, you can achieve perfectly straight and splinter-free cuts. For a clean working environment, connect the plunge saw to a vacuum cleaner. It will minimize the amount of sawdust in the air and guarantee a clear view of the cutting line. With its powerful 1200-watt motor, the plunge saw is designed to cut through wood, plastic, gypsum and cement-bonded fiber materials. It can cut through laminate with amazing precision and without any chips at all. As well as longitudinal cuts, the saw allows plunge cuts starting anywhere on a panel. Cut off door bottoms or plunge the saw into material to cut out a piece from the center. Without drilling holes, you'll make precise cuts in no time. The PowerPlus Plunge saw is an essential tool for every handyman. PowerPlus improves your projects.